On to the next exercise, linear inequalities. Now we are going to deal with graphs. Okay, so if we have inequations, we were only dealing with numbers and variables. Now we are also going to deal with graph. Graph which is solution. Now if x less than 6, what are all the solutions for 6 when it comes to real numbers? Real numbers we'll have x belongs to all the numbers from minus infinity to 6 not including 6. If x less than or equal to 6 we'll have x belongs to minus infinity to 6 including 6. Correct? In the now this graph we denote x less than 6. So I'm going to take x less than 6 case. So whenever I'm drawing a graph, so if this is my graph, and 6 I'll draw it properly. So I have the x-axis and the y-axis. So for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in the first step you have to write your inequation as an equation. If x is less than 6, so you have to take x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 is going to be this. And how does your graph look like? You have to simply draw a linear line. So x is equal to 6 na x value is always going to be 6 no matter what your value of y is. Correct? Y value x is always going to be 6. So your graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது இந்த மாதிரி இருக்க போகுது. இப்போ x less than 6 னா graph எப்படி போட போறோம்? இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு? 0, 0 இருக்கு. So இப்போ என்னோட inequationல நம்ம லைன் வரையறதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் equation யூஸ் பண்ணோம். Only for drawing the graph. So this is my x is equal to 6 graph. Graph வரையறதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் equation எழுத போறோம். மத்தபடி whenever you are finding the solutions of the inequation you have to take the question itself. So இப்போ inequation எடுக்க போறேன். X less than 6 is my inequation. When I substitute the value 0, 0 to my inequation, y illa. So x is 0 substitute panna 0 is less than 6. Is this true or false? This is true. So if true the value of 0, 0 is included. Abdina ungaloda region enga irukku podhu, your region that includes the solutions for the x is going to be this. So this is your region. Idha da vandu nama ivlo naal eppadi potutrundom indha mari potutrundom. Not including 6. So if including 6, if x is less than or equal to 6, you are going to draw a straight line. In the straight line போட போறோம். x6 include ஆகலனா எப்படி போட போறோம்? If this is my graph, x-axis, y-axis, if this is my point 6, I am going to draw a dotted line. So இந்த மாதிரி dotted line போட்டா it means x is less than 6 and not including 6. If you are not including something, you have to put a dotted line. Okay? Not including 6. இப்போ number line எப்படி போட்டுருந்தோம்? If the number 1 is not included, we will put a hollow circle. If the number 1 is included, we'll put a shaded circle. Correct? This is the way of representing if it is included or not included. Innone region eppadi poda porom? Minus infinity la indha 6 varaikum irukku. So indha edathila minus infinity. This is going to minus infinity 6 la indha minus infinity. Okay? So this is how you shade your region. So adha inga kuduthirukku. So this is your theory. Whenever you have a line that is parallel to your y-axis, you will have left half plane and right half plane. Solution enga irukku kandupidikirom. 0, 0 substitute panni check pannanom. 0, 0 வந்து inequationல true or false ah check pannanom. True nu irundhaduna இந்த 0, 0 side is included. If it is false, in the side is not included, you have to include this particular side. Okay? So இப்படி தான் நம்ம check பண்ண போறோம் inequations. You will understand this more clearly when you are solving example equations. Okay? So இப்போ அதே மாதிரி இந்த line parallel ஆ இருக்கு. Parallel இல்லாம இந்த மாதிரி slanting ஆ இருந்ததுனா slope மாதிரி இருந்ததுனா அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? You will have upper half plane and lower half plane. Okay? Left hand plane, right hand plane மாதிரி you will have upper half and lower half plane. Okay? So this is some basic concept that you need to know. இப்போ நம்ம examples போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். Okay? So example 9. இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 3x plus 2y greater than 6 ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. We are dealing with two variables. Until now we were dealing only with one variable. இப்போ ரெண்டு variable இருக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? First ஒரு inequation கொடுத்திருக்கு. இது equation எழுத போறேன். For what? To draw the graph. So என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? First step I am going to write the equation. 3x plus 2y equals 6. Okay. Now I am going to write x in terms of y and y in terms of x. இப்போ first step என்ன? X in terms of y, which means 3x is equal to 6 minus 2y. அப்ப x ஓட value என்னவா இருக்கும்? 6 minus 2y the whole divided by 3. I am writing x in terms of y. Okay, this is my first step. Second step என்ன? I am going to write y in terms of x. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? 2y equals 6 minus 3x. What am I doing? I am bringing the 3x to the other side for y. Okay? So 2y equals 6 minus 3x. Y is equal to 6 minus 3x the whole divided by 2. If x in terms of y எழுதியாச்சு, y in terms of x எழுதியாச்சு. Let me mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. இப்போ graph வரையறதுக்கு we need some solutions. கரெக்ட்டா? So அதை எப்படி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சாதான் இப்போ 2, 4 3, 5 இந்த மாதிரி இருந்தால் தான் you'll be able to draw a graph. இப்போ அதுவே தெரியாமல் எப்படி கிராஃப் போடுறது? So we have to find the points to draw a graph. So எப்படி points கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? இப்போ x ஓட value 0 அப்படின்னா I'm going to substitute this in equation 2. So I'll have y equals 6 minus 3 times 0 divided by 2. So this is going to give me 6 minus 0 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 enna? 3. So if x oda value is 0, y oda value is going to be 3. Similarly, y oda value 0 va irundha enna agum? This is the most easiest way of finding your x and y to draw the graph. X க்கு 0 substitute பண்ணி y oda value என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். Y க்கு 0 substitute பண்ணி x oda value என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். So this I am going to substitute in my equation number 1. Equation 1 enna? X is equal to 6 minus 2 into y. Y oda value 0 divided by 3. So this is I am substituting this in equation number 1. So what will I have? 6 minus 0 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is going to give me a 2. So x oda y oda value 0 na x oda value 2. So I will draw a tabular column. So x, y, x oda value 0 na y oda value is going to be 3 and y oda value 0 na x oda value is going to be 2. Okay. So this is how you have to draw a tabular column in your exam. In the mari tabular column போட்டுருங்க. So இப்போ இதை வச்சு நம்ம graph வரைய போறோம். So let me draw the graph for you. So x 0 na y 3. So 0, 3. I'll write the points also. So 0, 3 and 2, 0. So these are the 2 points to draw a graph. ரெண்டு point வச்சு line வர முடியுமா? வரைய முடியும். Okay. So 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? This is 0, 3. So this is one point. And what is the other point? 2, 0. So it is going to be 2, 0. This is my other point. Now I'm going to draw the graph. So graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to look something like this. Okay. So this is my graph. இப்போ shaded region கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். What is my shaded region? Solution என்ன இந்தக்கு? இந்த பக்கம் is it in the upper half plane or is it in the lower half plane? We need to know this. கரெக்ட்டா? So இதை எப்படி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? Let us substitute the value 0, 0. So what is my inequation? My question is 3x plus 2y greater than 6. 3x plus 2y greater than 6 when I substitute 0, 0. 0, 0 substitute panna I'll have 3 times 0 plus 2 times 0 greater than 6. 0 plus 0 greater than 6. Is 0 greater than 6? No. So false. So 0, 0 is not included. Appo you have to take the other side. 0, 0 enga irukku? It is over here. It is in the bottom half of the plane. So adha edukka koodadhu. Which half do you have to take? You have to take the upper half. Okay. So what is your solution? This is your solution. Also, when we are dealing with strict inequality, that is straight line வரையக்கூடாது. You have to draw a dotted line. Correct? So when you are drawing a dotted line and erase some parts, so this is how your line should look like. It should be dotted lines. Okay? So this is your final answer. So your answer is the upper half plane. That's the solution. You have found the solution graphically. Okay? Please copy. Example 10. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி what is my first step? இந்த இடத்துல I see that there is no strict inequality, there is slack inequality. அப்போ நம்மளோட லைன் எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be a thick line instead of a dotted line. Okay. இப்போ first step 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Equal to 0 ஏன் போடுறோம்? To find the solutions and draw the graph. Okay. Now 3x equals 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is 2. We are dealing with only one single variable here. For example, we had two variables. Here we only have one variable. So what is my solution? 2, x is equal to 2. Y can take any value. So how does my graph look like? X is equal to 2 now. It is this particular point. And y oda value enna irundhalum. When y oda value is 1, x is going to be 2. Y oda value 0 nalum, x is going to be 2. Okay, for any value of y, the value of x is going to be 2. So how does my graph look like? Something like this. Okay. So this is my x is equal to 2 graph. For a question, let me just write the equation. Okay. So what is this? 3x plus 2y equal to 6 oda graph. Okay. Please always mark the equations in the question. So x is equal to 2. So this is the equation. Now where does my solution lie? Ipo 0, 0 substitute panna poren. 0, 0 in inequation. So this is my inequation. This I am going to mark as 1. 0, 0 in equation 1. So 3x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Substituting the value of 0. 3 times 0 minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. 0 minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. So this is also false. So 0, 0 is not included in the solution set. அப்ப எங்க இருக்கு போகுது என்னோட solution? It is going to be to the right half of the plane. Okay. So this is my solution set. Please pay attention to the question. First graph போடணும். Graph போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் 0, 0 substitute பண்ணணும். அந்த 0, 0 இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். இருக்குன்னா you have to shade that particular side of the region. இல்லைன்னா you have to shade the other side of the region. Okay. Please copy. Example 11. Solve y less than 2. இப்போ first step என்ன? Inequation இருக்கு. Equation எழுதணும். So I have y equals 2. Directா equation நமக்கு வந்துருச்சு. Now I am going to draw the graph. Y equals 2 க்கு graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? So this is my y equals 2. No matter what my value of x is, I am going to get the value of y to be 2 always. X ஓட value என்னவா இருந்தாலும் y 2 தான். So how does my graph look like? So this is my y equals 2 graph. Y equals 2. Now I have to check if 0, 0 is included. So 0, 0 in y less than 2. So 0 less than 2. This is true. So which means 0, 0 is included. Where is my 0 point? This is my 0 point. So this particular point is included. So what is my region of solution for regions? This is my region of solutions. Okay. Please copy. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். கரெக்டாக சால்வ் பண்ணிவிட்டு வேல்யூவை சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி கிராஃபை போட்டால் வெரி ஈஸி. ஓகே. So in this we are dealing only with one particular inequation. Next exercise la you will have 2 or 3 inequations. Adukku common solution kandupidikanum. Okay. So here we only have one solution, one equation. So இதை நீங்க கரெக்டாக போட்டீங்கன்னா you will understand more clearly.